Welcome to Cyber Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Adobe Audition, an amazing audio editing software. Whether you're editing a podcast, mixing music, or creating sound effects, understanding how to use Adobe Audition can elevate your audio projects to the next level. So let's get started. Opening Adobe Audition. Let's open Adobe Audition and get started. Watch as the program loads and brings up the main interface. When you first open Adobe Audition, you'll see the main interface. It might look a bit complicated, but don't worry, we'll go through it together. Workspace Overview. At the top, we have the menu bar where you can find all the features of Adobe Audition. This includes File. Options for creating, opening, saving, and exporting your projects. Edit. Tools for undoing actions, cutting, copying, pasting, and other basic editing functions. Multitrack. Features for adding and managing multiple audio tracks in a project. Clip. Tools for trimming, stretching, and adjusting individual audio clips. Effects. A variety of audio effects you can apply to your clips, such as reverb, delay, and equalization. Other panels. Additional panels like View, Favorites, and Help, which provide more functionalities and assistance. Below, that is the toolbar with quick access to the tools you'll use most. On the left, there's the Files panel where you can import and manage your audio files. You can see a list of all the audio files you've imported for your project. In the center, we have the Editor panel, where you'll do most of your work. This is where you can see and edit the waveform of your audio files. At the bottom, there's the Levels panel, which shows the volume levels of your audio tracks, helping you ensure that your audio is not too loud or too quiet. Importing audio files. To start editing, you need to import your audio files. You can do this by dragging and dropping files into the Files panel or by going to File Import. Let's import an audio file and check out the waveform. Basic editing. Once your audio file is imported, you can start editing. Use the Selection tool to highlight a section of the audio you want to delete. Then press Delete to remove it. You can also use the Razor tool to cut your audio into different parts. It's great for trimming down long recordings. Applying effects. Adobe Audition has tons of effects you can add to your audio. To apply an effect, go to the Effects menu and choose the one you want. For example, let's add some reverb to this audio clip. Just click and you're done. Multitrack editing. If you're working on a project with multiple audio tracks, you'll want to use the Multitrack editor. Click on the Multitrack button at the top to switch to this view. Here, you can add multiple tracks, arrange your audio clips, and mix them together. Exporting your project. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to export your project. Go to File. Export and choose the format you want. In the Export panel, you'll find several options. Format. Choose the file format for your export, such as MP3, WAV, or AAC. Each format serves different purposes. For example, MP3 is great for compressed audio files suitable for online streaming, while WAV files are higher quality and often used for professional editing and mastering. Preset. Select a preset based on your needs. Presets can help streamline the process by providing optimal settings for various outputs, like high-quality audio for music production or smaller files for quick sharing. Sample rate. This determines the quality of your audio. Common sample rates include 44.1 kHz for CD quality audio and 48 kHz for video production. Bit depth. Choose the bit depth for your audio. Higher bit depths provide better quality, with 16-bit being standard for CDs and 24-bit for higher quality audio. Channels. Select whether your audio is stereo or mono. Stereo is typically used for music and videos to provide a richer sound experience. Destination. Specify where you want the file to be saved on your computer. You can also rename your file here. Once you have set all your parameters, click Export to save your project. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on using Adobe Audition to enhance your audio projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced audio engineer, mastering these techniques will undoubtedly elevate the quality of your work. Thank you for joining us today on Cyber Flux. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on audio editing and production. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, good luck and peace.